Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is super bullish again. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold was around 2390 area, and we discussed about two selling opportunities. Okay, if market goes up. First selling opportunity was around 2396 area, which did pretty well, and the second selling opportunity was around 240203 area. And market was extremely bullish. Market broke the level, and this is the main reason I always tell you guys that confirmation is extremely important. We have many levels in the chart, on every chart. That doesn't mean that you can trade on each and every level. And those who have attended my workshop earlier, probably you have the idea of volume and how volume plays an important role. So when market formed this candle, okay, it was clear to us that market was about to go for a breakout. Okay, anyways, right now market is bullish. Gold is standing at 2417, and surprisingly the same level has already worked as the support. The previous resistance has already worked as the support. So if you're holding a buy on the chart of gold, if you're having a buy, be on the trade, because further upside is very much possible. If you're stuck on a sale right now, then my dear friend, try to exit at retracement, because today anything may happen. Why? Because we have FOMC. Okay, you can see today we have a long list of events, and if you love to trade on euro pairs, try to avoid. I am also not going to upload any video on euro USD today, because we have long list of events for euro pairs. Then we have ADP and FP coming up during the US session. We have ADP and FP, but I don't think so market will be very volatile, crazy volatile during ADP and FP, because market is mostly waiting for the FOMC, Fed interest rate decision. Personally, I do not trade at the time of FOMC because of the peculiar timing. It comes around 11:30 p.m. at night. Okay, so I avoid. But if you're planning to trade during FOMC, please be careful. Okay, because one thing I would like to mention here is that, okay, already market knows it very well. Our market is expecting that there will be rate cuts during the September. In the month of September, there will be rate cuts. And because of the ongoing expectation, we can already see that there is pressure on the chart of DXY, which is another reason why gold is going down. And if we look at the bond yields also, US bond yields also, you can see a similar story, because dollar index is going down, bond yields are going down, and this is the reason why gold is bullish. And there is also tension on Middle East. So everything is okay, everything is pushing gold towards the upside. Okay, so it's better and safer to be on the buy side only as of now. After FOMC, market is expecting a drop on the chart of DXY. What market is expecting? Market is expecting a drop on the chart of DXY because of the rate cuts. But already market has digested the fact. So I think that market may not show a big fall that market is expecting, or DXY may not fall big. Okay, let's wait and watch. Time will tell. Okay, now let's discuss about the chart of gold. Okay. Before I proceed, okay, it came to my mind that, my dear friends, day before yesterday, I asked all of you regarding community and the IB group, and there was huge response. I am extremely overwhelmed, and thank you so much for all the love. So today I will be releasing another video, how to join the community. Okay, how to be a part of the community and all. Okay, I will also post on Instagram. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, okay, you'll find a link in the description, because there are also scammers. Only follow the profile with a blue tick. Okay. Now let's discuss about gold. So already we have seen that the previous resistance has worked as support, 2403 area, and right now gold is again going for a breakout. So if you're looking for a new position in the market, then obviously buy at breakout is an opportunity. But as we all know, that buy at retracement is safer in comparison to buy at retracement. So in this condition, we have two trading opportunities on the chart of gold. If market comes for retracement, and if this is the high. Okay. The first level you can see is that it is coming around 2406, and the second trading opportunity is coming around 2410. 2410 and 2406. These are the two levels where we can look for a retracement if market comes for support. And if market doesn't come for support, then obviously we can look for a buy at breakout. For example, right now, see, I'm recording the video. I can already see that market is going for a breakout. So um, if you are looking for a position right now, then obviously you can look for a buy right now, but do not expect a huge move, because the buy at breakout is riskier in comparison to buy at retracement. So what we can do here is, okay, if you go for a buy at breakout, then it is obviously good, but after 40-50 pips, okay, try to exit or do not go for a big lot size. So what will be the safe entry then? So after some time, if you see the market is coming down for retracement, then it will be a good place to enter. Means around 2418. Around 2418, market will be working as the new support. Okay, so already we can see the market is trying to go for a breakout. So if market breaks it, you can enter with a small lot size. But if the breakout doesn't sustain, then it will be problematic for us. That's why I said enter with a small lot size, and which will be better after breakout or after 40, 50, 60 pips, when market will be coming down again. The same level will be working as support. There we can go for a buy as well. Okay, now where is the next resistance then? See, the next resistance on the chart of gold is around 2431, 2434. This is the next resistance on the chart of gold. The red box that I have drawn here, because of the previous high. Okay, because of the previous high, as well as we have the FIBO 61.8% retracement level. You can already see market is struggling around FIBO 50. So we are expecting that along with resistance, FIBO will also cause some trouble for buyers, and day traders can look for a sell. Okay, so if you're confused, let me wrap it up. So my dear friends, on the chart of gold, you can see extreme bullishness because of the weakness on dollar index, because of weakness on bond yields, and because of geopolitical reasons. So if you are having a buy, be on the trade, no need to exit, because further upside is possible. And in this market condition, obviously buy at support or buy at dip is the best trading strategy. So here, if market comes for retracement around 2406, 2410, these are good levels to buy. And if market shows heavy retracement, then you can also expect 2400 to be the support for the market. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, for example, now while recording the video, I can see the market is bullish. Market is not in a mood of coming for retracement. So you can go for a buy at breakout, enter with a small lot size, because after one time market will be coming down again, isn't it? Then you can enter when 2418 will be the new support. Day traders, scalpers can look for a quick sell around 2431, 2433, but it is riskier, so please be careful. And FOMC is coming up at the time of news. Market may not respect any level. Try to follow the trend of the market. As we all know, when fundamentals dominate, news dominate the market, technicals do not work. Okay, and I'll be uploading a video soon, today itself, okay, regarding how to participate or join the community. Thank you so much for everything, and bye bye, take care.